Now very simple concept, the term, it is what? Centroid. Okay. Now when a triangle is in the space, space means what? In the 3-dimensional. So then what will be the coordinates for the centroid of a triangle? Okay. So the topic is centroid of a triangle. Now to find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are given. First of all, let me write you a brief introduction or brief description about the centroid. Now what is centroid? It is not an introduction, you can just say small recap. Best word is a small recap. Now centroid. Centroid of a triangle is a point which divides all the medians of a triangle in the ratio 2:1. Now this you have done in the 2-dimensional geometry, in the plane geometry. Okay. So here now one more word is there, that is the median. Median means what? When from one vertex a line joining the midpoint of the other segment, that is called the median. Now we are having centroid, median, and then a little bit confusion. What I told you, that was the in the in-center. In-center is what? In-center is basically the angle bisectors, where angle bisectors meet, and from that particular point we can draw a in-circle for a triangle. Okay. So we are discussing about the centroid. So I have written a centroid, what it is. Now let us find the coordinates. Let capital A x1, y1, z1, capital B x2, y2, z2, and capital C x3, y3, z3, A, B and C be the vertices of triangle ABC in a space. Now let D, E and F be the midpoints of line segment, it is BC, then CA, and AB respectively. So we have mentioned D, E and F. D, E and F, all are the midpoints. Now D is midpoint of BC, therefore coordinates of point D using midpoint formula are this will be now x2 plus x3 upon 2, x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2, z2 plus z3 upon 2. Okay. Now, let point G divides the median AD in the ratio 2:1 by definition of centroid. AG ratio GD is equal to 2:1. Okay. Now, coordinates of centroid of triangle ABC is, now we are having G, one with x1 plus 2, x2 plus x3 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2. y2 plus y3 upon 1 plus 2. Using section formula. Hence, coordinates of centroid G is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. Okay. Now, this 2 and 2 cancels and we are left with x1, x2 and x3. Okay. So, for what the formula we are getting for the centroid? This one.